This is the part 2 of the video series. So today we are going to see some of the important questions. So the first question is, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, these are the elements of a set A, and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, then find A minus B and B minus A. So this is our question. So now let us see the solution, how to solve this question. So first of all, you write down the sets. A is 1 comma 2 comma 3, and B is 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now what you have to do? A minus B. So simply write the sets of A, 1, 2, 3, minus B, 3 comma 4 comma 5. So A minus B is equal to, now here what you have to do, see here the elements of A and B, the elements of A and B are there. So simply eliminate the element 3 which is common in A. So simply you have to eliminate 3 and you have to write the answer as 1 comma 2. So A minus B. So the answer of A minus B is 1 comma 2. So similarly, now you have to find out B minus A. So write down B minus A. So what are the elements of B? 3 comma 4 comma 5 minus A, 1 comma 2 comma 3. So what you have to do here? See the common elements. So 3 is the common element which is present both in A and B. So simply you eliminate 3. So the answer will be 4 comma 5. So the answer will be 4 comma 5. So B minus A is equal to 4 comma 5. So like this you have to solve this problem. So while solving these problems, remember that you have to write this given situation. Even though it is given in the question, but you have to mention in the solution also. So if you write this also, you will be getting the marks. So now let us go on to the next question. Now let us see the next question. If A minus B is equal to 3, 4, 5, B minus A is equal to 1, 8, 9, and A intersection B is equal to 6 comma 7, then find A union B. Now let us see the solution, how to solve this one. First of all, you write A minus B. 3 comma 4 comma 5. Next, b minus a, 1 comma 8 comma 9, and a intersection b is equal to 6 comma 7. So now how to solve this one? So for that you are having a formula. A union b is equal to a minus b union b minus a union a intersection b. So this is the formula which you have to remember. A minus b, that is a union b is equal to a minus b union b minus a union a intersection b. So now we know that a minus b is already given. How much? 3 comma 4 comma 5 union b minus a, 1 comma 8 comma 9 union a intersection b. So a intersection b is 6 comma 7. So here you have to remember that here you are having union. So in union, simply what you have to do, you have to write all the elements which are coming one time. So simply you have to write all the elements which are coming one time. So you can see the elements are 3, 4, 5, 1, 8, 9, 6 and 7. So you'll write it in order. So if you write it in order, you'll get the answer as 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is our answer. If A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12. Find A union B and A intersection B. So now let us see how to solve this question. So here you have to remember that this is the symbol for union and this is the symbol for intersection. So for union and intersection, down first of all A 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B 6, 8, 10, 12, and you mention A union B. Simply write down 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Union symbol is there, so simply write down union. Next B 6, 8, 10, 12. So here what you have to remember that here how many elements are repeating. For example, 6 is repeating. Here also it is repeating. 8, it is repeating again. 10, it is repeating again. So simply in union, when you are solving union, simply you have to write these values which are the values which are occurring again and again. Simply you have to write one time. So 2 and 4 as usual you have to write 6, 8, 10, and 12 is left out in this set. So this will be our answer of A union B. So the thing which you have to remember, that the elements which are occurring again and again, 6, 8, 10 are again and again occurring. So simply you have to write them only one time. So this is for A union B. So for A intersection B, simply what you have to write down A intersection B. Write down the elements of A: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next intersection symbol is there. Simply write intersection 6, 8, 10, 12. So now what you have to do? The elements which are occurring two times. 6 is coming in both set A and set B. 8 is coming both set A and set B. 10 is coming in both set A and set B. So now in intersection, simply you have to write the elements which are coming two times or repeating. So the answer will be 6, 8, 10. So this is the answer for intersection of two sets. The next question is, list all its subsets of set A. The elements of the set A are x, y, z. So first of all, you have to understand what is a subset. The symbol for subset is this one. So this represent subset. So if you want to find out the number of subsets, you are having a formula 2 to the power of n. So where n is nothing but number of elements in a set. So how many elements are there? You have to find out the power. So here you can see how many elements are there? 3 elements are there. So 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 3 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. So that is nothing but 8. So you'll have 8 subsets of this one, set A. So let us write the subsets. Subsets of A are, so first I will write x. X is one subset, y is one subset, z is one subset, x, y is one subset, y, z is one subset, z, x is one subset, x, y, and Z is one subset, and null set. So this represents null set. So total how many sets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 subsets of this set A. So what is the formula here? 2 to the power of 3. So 3 represents 3 elements are there. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So simply you have to write the individual elements here. X is one subset, Y, Z. Next, XY, YZ, and XZ or ZX. So next you have to write XYZ as well as null set. So this is the answer. The next question is, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, that is the elements in set A, and B elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then represent the Venn diagram of A minus B. So first of all, what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a representation of elements with the help of a diagram. For example, the elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, the elements of B are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So now we have to find out the Venn diagram. So for that, you have to draw a diagram like this. So this represents a universal set. So this is our universal set. In this set, all the sets will come. So first we need set A. So what are the elements of set A? You have to write, and set B. So this is set A and this is set B. Now you have to remember here in this common intersection, you have to write the elements which are same in both the sets. So 2 will come here as well as 4 will come here. So here in the middle you will write 2 and 4. So next in set A, what are the elements? 1, 3. Next B, 2, 4 is already in the intersection part. So we'll write 6, 8, 10. If you want to show A minus B intersection, so this part will be showing. Only this part. So this is the answer, that is A minus B is equal to this shaded region. So this part will be our A minus B intersection. So like this you have to show the Venn diagrams.